I stopped using papers and paper tapes many years now. I don't use it because it's not 100% guaranteed that it's going to help you in sewing all fabric. It's not 100% guaranteed, and I'm going to prove it to you right now. I'm using a paper tape right now. You can see, but it can't sew this fabric. It can't. It can't help me sewing this fabric. So imagine like you use the papers and the paper tape and still you can't sew this fabric. What are you going to do next? What are you going to do next? That means you can't do what you are doing, right? So as for my fans and for my subscribers, I want to teach you the right method, the good method that's going to help you to sew all fabric. And I've been using it for years and I've never encountered any problem. I'm telling you, I've been using it for years and I've never encountered any problem. These papers and paper tape, it's not 100% guaranteed that it's going to help you. So it's good to get more knowledge. Do you understand? When you use the paper is not working. When you use the paper tape, it's not working. And you try my method. Like I said, my method that I'm using, I'm able to sew all fabric without facing difficulties. Like you can see right now, the paper is not working right now for me. So what are you going to do next? That's why I'm going to give you this new method that will help you to be able to sew all fabric.